Thank you for watching our channel and our course. We are providing services for proofreading, article formatting and citation management. And there are much more about the services. For more information, you may contact us on the provided contact details. Thank you. Hello, welcome to the 11th lecture of academic writing. I hope you took all of the lectures and you understand the basic concepts and the steps of academic writing. Today we will discuss about citation and bibliographies. First of all, you should know that what are the key features of citation. For example, you have consulted the work of others, you need to add citation. Familiar with the ongoing debate in the field. It will also add some weight and credibility to your article, and reader can also check the accuracy of your work, and you will also acknowledge the other people's work, and it also helps to avoid plagiarism. For example, cite the original papers or sources where the information first appear. This is called primary source, and it is recommended that you should mostly cite the primary sources, not the secondary sources. Words are well established, then cite the secondary sources, which refers to the original work, is also a valid alternative. You can cite secondary source well specific work is well established, and make sure that they are placed exactly where they belong. And all citations are not equally reliable. Internet sources are not appropriate, so as Wikipedia. Reference system. You should aware of any specific requirements of the university or journal, in which style they want you to write your article and add citations to your article. For example, Success University provides a convenient guide to different systems. You can visit this website and understand the different citation styles. Few of them I will discuss here. Some principal systems are Harvard, generally used in UK for social sciences and business. MLA style, similar to Harvard but more common in US. And APA, widely used in US in social sciences. Vancouver, commonly employed in medicine and sciences. Footnote and note systems, commonly used in humanities. Harvard style is like this. For example, if you are adding in text citation, it will be add like this: text. Then in citation, you will give the author's last name and the year. And in the bibliographies, it should be like this: name of the authors, year, title of the article, journal name, and volume, page number. MLA style, basically author surname and pages, and bibliographies, authors, title, edition, publisher, year of publication. Similarly, APA style is also, you can see that surname, year of publication, pages. You can see that there are a little bit difference in different citations, but this is very important. Whenever you are adopting a particular style, you need to follow that style, and before adding citation, you should learn that what style the journal or university is asked from you to use. Thing is Vancouver, it is like reference number, and the same number will appear in the bibliography for the same reference. Footnote and note system is like this, and others like Chicago style is like this, ACS style is like this, AGLC style is also similar to footnote, IEE style is like this, mostly used in computer and other fields. But this is not just in text citation and the bibliographies, but this formatting is for the whole document. This is for the MLA style document. In this, their guideline told you that you should use 1-inch margin from each side, and when you start the new paragraph or you start the first paragraph, you should give 1/2-inch indentation. This is the title in the middle, and you see this is not justified. You should use double spacing throughout, and before the title you will add the name, your supervisor name, subject, and date in this particular format. So you can see that the particular bibliographies
or style defines a whole pattern for your article. So you need to follow each and everything. What are the page margins, how you need to give the title, where title will appear. I mean, you need to follow each and everything. Now at the end, I will let you know the proofreading checklist. What should you keep in mind when you are proofreading your article? First of all, you need to see the typos error. The next thing, you need to consider grammatical mistakes, punctuation, references formatted consistently and according to requirements. If you are using numbered references, the sequence should be same in the article and in the bibliographies. All the figures and table are recalled in the main text. Mean their figure number in the caption and in the text should be same. Caption and titles contain enough information for stand-alone figures and tables. All the labels in figure are clearly defined and units given where needed, and you need to learn the guideline about the units, about the particular format and particular general requirements. Different lines and symbols can be distinguished when printed in the black and white paper. All proper names are spelled correctly, especially in acknowledgement, and figure resolution is high enough for possible size reduction. For example, if they reduce the size, their details should not be vanished. I hope you understand this lecture and you understand the whole process of academic writing. Please rate this course and give your valuable feedback.